What's up, what's up, guys? TeamVSR? Is that what we're called?
Yeah. TeamVSR.
About to squat up to the beach. It's about like what, like 8:30 in the morning right now, something like that. Yeah, about to squat up to the beach. That'd be nice. Hoping the rain holds off.
Alright boys, we just got to the beach now. We're about to go check it out, see what's good. We got the cooler here. Big ass cooler. Alright. Head up.
We out here. We copped our spot. Decent ways away from people. We out here. We made it. The Squamicut. You good, Zach? Ready to get the beach on? TeamVSR out here. Reppin'.
Alright guys, right now we're just chilling at the beach. What's up, sleepyhead over here? What's up, Zach? Yeah, we're just planning to go to the aquarium later, and we're gonna take some nice shots there. You know, see the penguins. Right, Zach? About to see the penguins and the beluga whales. Yeah.
About to see that beluga.
So far, it's a really nice day out today. You know, we planned that. We knew it was about to be nice out.
TeamVSR all day.
Just kidding. We just figured that out in Dollar General like 2 days ago. So, oh, yeah, this guy's a clown over here. All right. Let's see this.
Go Zach.
Let's get it.
Alright guys, leaving the beach now. We had a pretty fun day, and we're probably going to hit up the aquarium, so talk to you guys. Alright guys, we just finished bowling at the beach, and now TeamVSR is headed to Mystic Aquarium. About to spend like $35 a person. We're ready for it. Because, you know, we're just rich and we have, like, millions of subscribers, so it's whatever.
And sponsorships.
Yep, and sponsorships. We're all sponsored by Adidas, as you can see. We'll leave the link down to the prescription. Yeah, we'll leave it down in the description.
Let's get it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bitch, I play real wrong. Yeah, bitch, I play real wrong.
Cock.
I know you care. Shout whenever, and I'll be there.
Looking at you, yeah, the drums they swing low, and the trumpets they blow.
We at the aquarium, about to go see the penguins and the beluga whales.
Are you fucking kidding me? I'm gonna kill myself.
Alright guys, we have to hop across to the village, you know, purchase some money from the ATM, deposit, withdrawal.
I don't know if I can purchase some money from here.
Why not? Please tell me you can, I'm just trying to go to the aquarium.
I'll pay that fee.
Is that coming in the clutch with his card? Hey.
That Dunkin' money.
Yeah. It's payday today, boys.
We out here.
Video of like everything.
Huh?
Hold up. We need to get a video of everything.
Where's it at? Oh, dang.
Dang. Yo. Look at that one up there. Look at that.
Yo, cue the cinematics.
That one back there on the wall, yo, look at that.
That's creepy. They're mad big. What's this boy doing?
Yo, what up, Zeb? How's he doing? Recording it for the snap.
Zeb is the exhibit.
Yeah, look at this guy. In the tank. Oh my gosh. Whoa, where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
Oh, there he is. He's crawling. I'm way too tall for that. Water.
That concludes the aquarium. That was complete garbage, kind of.
Yeah. I guess it was okay.
Yeah. We paid $30 just to walk around inside. Because it wouldn't let us go anywhere else.
For what?
It's not even raining. I mean, it might have a little, but still. We're on our way back. And we're back home. Jacob's in Vermont. He left not too long. He left as soon as we got back. I don't know why. He's just out. Yeah, he's gone. But yeah, good day at the beach. Yeah, look at Zach. Zach's all red. Look at his knee. Hold on. Hold up. Yeah, his kneecaps are red for no reason. Yeah, you're all red. Yeah, I got burned as well, but not as bad. The aquarium kind of sucked because we didn't get our money's worth. But wait, I thought you were in Vermont.
Huh?
I thought you were in Vermont.
I am.
Well, drop a like and some comments down. Tell us what do you think of TeamVSR? Yeah.
And subscribe.
Yep. Say subscribe, Zeb. They want to.
Out. Don't forget to subscribe.
More content like this on the way.